Want to join Planet Spark as an English tutor? Then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you about the recruitment process in detail. So let's get started. The first point, go to their website, click on the option We are hiring and apply for the job. Second point, you will get a call from the HR department and the concerned person will ask you some basic questions related to experience, related to your job, and after this call you will be asked to prepare a presentation on any topic. The plus point is you can select any topic, noun, pronoun, adjective, any topic. Now after this demo round there will be a training session. But let's suppose that your audio is not working in demo round or video is not working. In that case your demo round will be postponed. Okay, now after this demo round there will be training session. The training session will be divided into 3 parts. In the first part they will guide you related to general instructions of Planet Spark, and in the second round they will guide you how to teach junior students. Now they have their content ready. You just have to download their PPT and then teach. Now let's suppose if you have been selected, you will be receiving lots of demo requests. You have to take lots of demo requests, and for this they will guide you how to teach with the help of their demo PPT. The second part will be of demo PPT, junior PPT, and the third part will be of senior PPT. It's up to you whether you want to teach junior students or senior students. It is totally up to you, but I would suggest you to please join both the training session, both the rounds, junior also and senior also. Now after there will be mock test round for 3 days. Now in this mock test round you have to present the same demo PPT which they had presented in the training session. It's up to you whether you want to teach for junior or senior. You just have to pick up that PPT, select it, present it, and the concerned person will check your pronunciation, your speaking skills. Now there will be 3 mock test round and you have to pass at least 2 mock test round. Now let's suppose that you have cleared 1 mock test round and you have received 2 no, then in that case you are not selected for Planet Spark. You will receive an email from their side that congratulations, you have been selected if you clear the rounds, but minimum you have to get 2 yes from their side, and then you will be receiving lots of demo requests. You will be receiving demo requests from international students also, and they will also guide you. They will be having their training session, lots of training sessions, and the plus point is for demo round you will be getting 200 rupees. Even if the child is not interested, then also you will be getting money for that demo round. And let's suppose that the child, he wants to take up your course, then in that case you will be getting 400 rupees, and for each class you will be getting 200 rupees. Now people, this platform works really well. If you really want to join this platform, then your speaking skills should be excellent. If you really like this video, then hit the like button please, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.